If you use Visual Studio Code with Unity, here is what you need to do to get auto-completion in your code. First, click on Edit, then choose Preferences. On the left menu over here, look for External Tools. You can also type in External, and then External Tools will be the only option you will see. So click on it, and what we want to do now is change the External Script Editor. So let's click on the drop-down list, and Unity will identify what options you have to use as an external editor. In my case, I have Visual Studio installed as well as Visual Studio Code. I want to use Visual Studio Code, so that's what I'm going to choose. Let's now close the preferences, and let's create a new empty script. And what we need to do now is click on Assets, and then open C# project. And Visual Studio Code was opened, and here I'll open the Assets folder, and we can see the new scripts folder I created, and inside it we have our test script. And if I now try to add a debug.log inside my start function, we can see that we have auto-completion and we can use it.